Hello, doston. I'm your SAP coach. So, before starting, I just want to introduce myself. My name is Parv, and I am a senior SAP consultant, having more than 5+ years of working experience on SAP various modules like SAP FICO, SAP HANA, and SAP MM. So, I'm having experience in that, and without wasting any time, I just want to tell you that could you know that what is SAP and why SAP? SAP is basically known as system application product in data processing. So it's an application product. So application product for system is known as like organization. So it's an application product that is related to the data of the organization of the system. So it's an ERP tool. ERP basically like enterprise resource planning. So when enterprise is basically the organization and the resources is like the man, material, money, or shareholder, share capital, expenses related to organization. So a company can make a various future aspects, like they can get to know about their future and they can plan what for the better future. So ERP is basically like enterprise resource and the planning for the future aspects. So SAP is the tool which helps the management, which helps the company organization to get to know about the future and to have the day-to-day activities recording. So this is SAP, but why SAP? SAP is basically like we have many ERP tools in the market. Like we have Zoho, we have online QuickBooks, we have Tele, we have Mark, we have Oracle tool, we have Microsoft tools, we have various other software in the ERP tool in the market. But why SAP? Because it helps the management to record day-to-day activity and it is easy to learn. It helps to record various day-to-day invoices, various day-to-day activities more easily and more quickly. uh, like also it helps the management to take a right corrective action if there is any bottleneck in the company. So they can take a right corrective action whatever required if there is to clear any bottleneck in the company. So and more than 500 plus fortune companies are using this software because it's very trustworthy. So that's why companies are using this software. When we came to know the eligibility part, that what is the eligibility of SAP to learn SAP, eligibility is very clear that you should know the basic knowledge that what is debit, what is credit, and you should know the journal entry related to the accounting. That much is the eligibility. But like when you go for the interview part, so the companies will ask you that you should be a graduate person. So while pursuing your graduation, you can start your SAP career, and while you are placing having any interview, so you should be graduate. So that's was the eligibility. You should know the basic difference of journal entry, debit, and credit. Yeah, that's much. So not more than that. And we have various projects in the SAP. Like there is a greenfield implementation, there is a brownfield implementation, there are rollout project, advisory project. So there are various projects related to SAP. So like if I give you example, like for the greenfield implementation. So greenfield implementation is basically like having SAP from scratch. Like the company is previously using some other software, they are using Tele or they are using Marg, and they firstly introduce SAP S4 HANA or SAP ECC in their organization. So that's a greenfield implementation. And what is brownfield? Like they are having the software, but they are lacking somewhere, and we providing them a support to the organization. So that's a brownfield implementation. And advisory is basically like there are companies like TCS or IBM. They are doing the audit related. So audits related to SAP. So this is the advisory, and there are like we have various projects related to SAP. Like these are the projects, some projects related to SAP. So that's the eligibility, and it's a very good software. And I suggest you, like I'm the SAP senior SAP consultant, so I advise you, like if you implement SAP in your life, it will definitely make your future bright. So go ahead and makes SAP a part of your life, and definitely it will make your future bright. So That's all from my side, and if you have any question related to this video or any related to SAP, so you can comment and I will definitely reply you. Yeah, that's all. My name is Parv and thanks for watching. Thank you.